बेकसूरों को जेल में डाला जाएगा और दंगाई प्रवचन देंगे, जवाब तो मांगा जाएगा।
को रिहा करो, झूठा मुकदमा वापस लेना होगा।
Justice for Jairaj and Phoenix, and that's spelled F-E-N-I-X. Do not let this die.
We have come across these slogans on different occasions from different people. Many people are seen as the victims of injustice, and very few of them gets justice. There seems no end to cruelty, sadness, open brutality, and inhuman activities. In this video, you will be informed about how the unjust and in the based, the indefensible, the unfair, the unjustified, the unlawful, the unreasonable, the wrong, all can be brought to an end, to a complete full stop. We have the solution of this problem in our hand. And this is an open challenge to us all who believe that justice should be brought. Let's note down some important points from Quran and Hadith to establish justice and end injustice. First of all, this world has been created justly. Secondly, Islam gives every living human being just and equal rights. Moreover, Islam has forbidden discrimination on the basis of color, wealth, caste, appearance, language, or gender. And especially in Islam, women have given respectful rights, whether she is a daughter, mother, or a wife. And apart from all of these injustices, even delaying in payment of debt by a wealthy person is also a kind of injustice. And in Islam, there are certain instructions and rules for the people in power, for the rulers to be followed so they can bring justice to their people. There is much more in Islam about justice to bring peace in the world. And those who were hurt by the unjust and inhuman activities, note that there is one powerful being who is watching and will surely bring justice to one and all on the day of judgment. Allah is the most just, the best judge, the all-knower for all those who is being unjustly harmed in any way. So let's do our parts in being just and bring justice to this world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.